What if I tell you that Sachin Tendulkar became Sachin Tendulkar by watching YouTube videos? Or what if I say that Mahendra Singh Dhoni became the Dhoni, or the captain of India, the most successful captain of India, by just watching some YouTube videos? You laugh at me, right? But that's exactly I'm listening from students who are talking to me nowadays for their CSR net preparation. It's very sad. But the sad truth is, many of the students are mistaken thinking that watching YouTube videos can help them qualify CSI, NET and GATE exams. That's an absolute nonsensical truth, which you are believing truth is not truth. It's a fake, it's a myth, and this video is dedicated to this myth. Now, many of us think that whatever is free is going to benefit us. To some extent, yes, it does. But many of the times, you should know this, that you cannot win a battle by just watching somebody else fight. You have to get in and train yourself for the battle. Like I said, if Sachin Tendulkar had watched some random 200 YouTube videos, do you think he would have become Sachin Tendulkar? The truth is no, he cannot. The same way, if you really want to qualify CSANET, by just watching some random YouTube lectures, you cannot qualify. You'll have to sit with a mentor, you'll have to practice, you'll need to take guidance, you need to prepare under the guidance of an experienced mentor, and you need to practice as much as you can. You can't just watch some random YouTube videos and expect results. Now, let me tell you what these YouTube videos are. We also make a lot of career guidance videos, but those are career guidance videos. Nowadays on YouTube, you have many free CSIR net classes, but you should think about this. Why are they giving you free CSIR net classes? Because that way they are trying to lure you into their coaching. But so basically what you're watching is an advertisement of a coaching, not the real class. So most of the time the so-called teacher is interested in aligning you towards their goal, which is you enroll in their coaching. The truth is, you need to look for a real mentor who is himself an implementer and who can give you personalized guidance. If you are thinking that some random YouTube lecture will help you qualify CSIRNet, wait for a year, write CSIRNet, you will know the result. Okay. So here are a few pointers for you, which will help you judge who is a good mentor and what you need, what you should expect from a mentor. The first thing you will get is guidance. You will get complete 360-degree guidance on all your CSIRNet preparation, all your GATE preparation, which book to study, which book to skip, which portion to study, in how much depth you should study, and whatever doubts you're getting, how to clarify. So the second is, of course, expertise. So the guidance which they will provide is because they have seen so many students make the same mistake or a similar mistake. So they will have the expertise, and this expertise of that subject, like biochemistry or cell biology, molecular biology, that expertise will help you solve questions better, because many things are not written in books, but these experts will have that as well. Now, moving ahead, they will also be able to not just help you practice, but they'll be able to give you so many test-taking strategies. For example, decision-making during your exam, which questions to pick, which questions to skip, and how to make sure that negative marking is minimized. So these kind of guidance or test-taking strategies they will give you. But you can't expect these things on free YouTube lectures, because they are basically ads of coaching institutes. They're not the real videos. Now, they will also guide you on the time management skills, productivity skills, and how to make time for your CSIRNet preparation in your busy schedule. You see, all of us are busy, but some point in time you need to prepare, you need to qualify so that you can progress in your career. And that is where experienced mentors can come in, and they can change the way you look at your time management. Now, that is where our customized approach comes in. At Biotechnica, we take only 16 students, and we make sure that every student is paid attention to, every student is nurtured, mentored, and I personally meet them every 2 weeks to discuss on your progress and how it is going. And now that we are adding self-study modules into our coaching system, it will be even more powerful than before. And now that I told you, this customized approach towards every student will help you qualify. I cannot just say that, okay, I'll teach 100 students in a class and expect results. Of course, some people will qualify, but what will happen to the majority who also paid the fees? Because the fees was paid by everybody equally. So our approach is to make sure that everybody gets a personalized approach, personalized attention, and they qualify. And if you have any doubts about our quality, you can go through any of our sample videos which we have uploaded on YouTube, or you can reach out to our admission counselor. They will provide you some demo lectures on the quality and the real classroom environment which we have at Biotechnica. Now, moving ahead, the next problem which you will face is motivation. Now, when you are studying, you will go through cycles of high motivation and then frustration, motivation, frustration. This graph keeps going up and down. Now, in your downtime, you cannot study, so you will waste time. While in your uptime, you are so excited that you study too much, and then the brain will be too much burden. So, at Biotechnica, we'll teach you the winner's mindset, the topper's mindset, and we help you sustain your energy level throughout your preparation, so that after 2 months you just don't feel like, okay, I don't want to prepare, and you just leave the preparation altogether. So we have tamed this human behavior by constant, consistent motivation classes throughout your preparation. That's another thing which you will get when you go for experienced mentors who are implementers, which is very rare in a YouTube class or somewhere you go and they will just talk about something. So this is how it works. Now, coming to the next part, which is feedback. You see, we are, suppose I'm sitting on earth, can I feel that earth is round? No, unless I go to the moon and use a telescope to watch at earth. The same way, constant, consistent feedback from mentors is what will help you. But somebody just randomly teaching on YouTube is not bothered about your personalized feedback. Instead, he's just bothered about some ad revenue or some clicks, or he's trying to sell some courses. But what I'm trying to tell you is, you need constant, consistent feedback so that your preparation is better. And that's how Sachin became Sachin. That's how Kohli became Virat Kohli. And that's how Mahendra Singh Dhoni became the Mahendra Singh Dhoni. You need a mentor who is an implementer. You need personalized support and attention. You need personalized guidance, and you need the best of all this at one place. And that is only one place where you get all this for CSI Net and Gate, and that is Biotechnica. Now, I'm not here to tell you that Biotechnica is the best. I'm here to tell you that Biotechnica pays attention to every student who enrolls with us, and that's what makes us the best. We don't chest thump and say we had massive results. Instead, we say we will make sure that you qualify, because your results matter. 100 people qualify, how does it matter? But your results matter, and that's where we take only 16 students in our every batch. Laksh batch is starting very, very soon. 1st of February we are starting, and last one seat, I guess, is left. If you are interested, please enroll, because there you're getting 3 internships, which is Bioinformatics Global Tools and Techniques internship. You're getting the Chem Informatics internship as well as the Coding for Biologists internship, absolutely free, along with the coaching for CSINet, a 360-degree solution to all your research career problems. So why not enroll with us and look for an experienced mentor who can not just help you, guide you, nurture you, but propel you towards your success. So next time you watch a lecture on YouTube, remember that that's an advertisement, that's not a real lecture. If you want to truly experience real lecture, come watch out a demo class at Biotechnica. You will know how in-depth it is and what is the quality we deliver. So with these thoughts, I'll leave you there with a lot of pondering questions. If you have any questions, put them down in the comment section or write to me at shekhar@biotechnica.org. At Biotechnica, we proudly say, your success is our achievement. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.